Have you ever wondered why Jesus is the only way to the Father? Well, it crossed my mind now and then, but I just kind of put it to the side, and then when Papa was talking to me about deep unto deep, I realized that when we or anybody else accepts Jesus and believes in Jesus, then a fantastic thing happens. Papa takes the very deepest part of himself and puts it into our deepest part. So therefore, if people do not believe in Jesus, they do not have access to the Father, because the Father's very own spirit is living at one with our spirit.